right? Enterprise architecture, which is a document that defines how government will perceive governance, acquisition, deployment, related subsystems, other elements, so that you'll be able to harness the power of digital investment.
Digital systems should be trusted. You cannot deploy a service today, then tomorrow the customer or user goes to online to that portal, the service is down.
Interoperability, about developing digital services in a way that information can be shared, technology can be reused.
Technical higher education, once there's standardization, it's easier for you to adapt. So the only difficulty will be maybe certain technology or certain services that are limited while mainly for that industry. Okay?
Someone that is your lack of apply for business administration.
How you now actually go out there and research comprehensively to make sure how you achieve your idea is the best way possible.
So this question of the see, no matter how an enterprise architecture take it in the tool, it boils down to the moral of you, information, and power. Waiting me know, and waiting him know, make me powerful person.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Chinedu Wefuna. I'm the instructor for enterprise architecture across several selected individuals from the ICT cadre of the government of Sierra Leone. And so far so good, the class has been okay, and I've been able to learn alongside, pass on some knowledge.
I'm Amadou Banya, come from National Civil Registration Authority. I can represent the institutions on enterprise architecture training. As you said, the training is really essential because 60 to 70% of the training, all references are being made from NTRA. The reason being, they say that we hold a citizen's data. So, and the enterprise architecture actually intertwine a lot of ICT related issues and how ICT will able to help for reshape the public data and for reshape for reshape and get a data where it will be into a greater interoperability for all MDAs and other institutions and for harness the data in a way that way it will get more security.
I'm Anta Umar of Poly, Deputy Director of Policy Planning and Compliance, but I'm in charge of planning and research. So for the last 5 days, from Monday to Friday, we are here for the Enterprise Architecture Training. It's training organized by MoCTI with support from the World Bank, the SLDTP project, and the Ministry. So the training caters for ICT professionals across MDAs. So for the past 5 days, we have trained 100 ICT professionals across 26 MDAs in Sierra Leone. From the feedback we are getting from the train and the participants, enterprise architecture is a key for any digital infrastructure that Sierra Leone might want to deploy in the future. So on behalf of all the participants, although I'm a deputy director, I've benefited a lot. I've learned new things, how to deploy digital systems, to understand what enterprise architecture is all about. It's not about theoretical or what you just think enterprise architecture are, but we have steps, we have benchmarks that any environment has to meet to deploy an enterprise architecture. And so we want to thank the bank, we want to thank MoCTI for this opportunity. This is the first time in the ICT scalar that we have benefited from such an intensive training. 5 days for the enterprise architecture and 3 days for the digital service standards. We have benefited a lot, not just laying emphasis, but as an ICT professional for the past 13 or 14 years, what I've learned during this past 2 or 3 weeks, I've never learned them before. So I hope this knowledge for all of us will help us to change the way we think in our different MDAs. Thank you very much.